Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Yeah guys, remember to subscribe to my channel if you guys are not already subscribed. Hit that post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post another video. So yeah guys, I'm going on a nature walk today. Yeah, cause we get some rain and I want to see if want to see all the water waves go. And then I got a mic, so I try out the mic today too. So let's go. So yeah guys, we are start the walking. We're starting the walking. Mother, she gonna ahead of me guys. Right then. Let's see if we can do this good. Ooh. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna show you guys a lot of just nature overall. And guess what guys, Tuesday is my birthday, so if you're seeing this video, comment happy birthday Fanika TV. So yeah guys, okay, let's go. My first time I use it tripod, I wonder if me are really good. It's my first. I don't think I ever do one video like this before. I hope you guys enjoy it. So yeah guys, so this is the pass. Yeah guys, I soon get better phone, but I can't be on so muddy. Oh my god, it's a real road to like, yeah, the whole and then when the hurricane blow, the whole has to the tear down. Yeah, so somebody I come there with, to want catch nobody for my video, So yeah guys, that's a little part of my community. Woo! Dame! Ooh, dame foo! So yeah guys, the whole of here, so guys, it come down and tear down with wire. I did have video of that, but I didn't have delete them out because I never have them. See, you're so muddy. Oh. Hey, one tripod. Tripod. Hey, use it for vlog. Morning. Yeah, thanks. So yeah guys, we're starting the walk. So yeah guys, may I start my journey now? So welcome to my nature walk guys, and tell me if you guys like these type of videos. I want to see more nature videos, right? More nature videos. So let's go. Hey guys, so put on, something I can sweat off your belly, sweat off some of my belly fat. Right? That's what my mic I work. I'm gonna program you up video. 100% sure. Sun warm. Warm. So yeah guys, I'm gonna get some water to drink at the spring because my hot like fire. Whew. Yeah guys, spring water. Want to sleep. Oh my god. Real natural spring water guys. Oh my god. Look at I'm walking, it's on me hot. Woo! Look at time walking and swim, guys. Let's see. Yeah. Guys, me and my mother, I go for a nature walk and she gone left me. Oh my gosh. She gone left me, guys. Gone left me. Let's go. Oh, they tell me if you don't like my outfit and if you don't like my hairstyle. Yeah. Wait, me show them my outfit good. Right? I don't know if you can see me, like it's sun. On the phone. I don't even know if you not see me good, but whatever. Yeah, so we walk up and see if we can go catch up Miss Lady. Oh my god, hot like a fire. I hope you guys like this video because I'm gonna start showing more nature, guys. Mixture of myself. Look how beautiful that is, guys. I can't wait till I get another phone when we can zoom up and show us and we can see the sea. From where I'm at now, I can see the sea, a lot of hills, guys. You know, if you're from Jamaica and you have been to Portland before, you know that Portland is a rural area in Jamaica, and we have a lot of natural resources here and so forth. So it's a beautiful parish, guys. Yeah. So if you're visiting Jamaica and want somewhere quiet, we're still on our nature walk journey, taking in some cool breeze and stuff, guys. It's my first time coming up here since Hurricane Beryl, so nothing much not really change, you know. Nothing much not really change. You know, I'm in my, let's see, I'm in my little bath suit underneath this. Yeah, because I'm gonna take a dip in the river. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna, you know, kind of take in some of the air. Let's say I want to add this thing for walk up here and then me go cut off in the. Yeah, guys, it's something on the ear is a waterfall, but the waterfall, you guys, like seriously, oh, but that tree I must drop down in a burial. Yeah, the biggie, how can a tree? Mango, like a mango tree. When you hear the waterfall, guys, we can't see it because it's too bush up, and there is no way we can go down there go show no it. I think if the pass no bush up, so we see, like we see if we can go down there. That's my mom up front. You see how far she's there from me. So, guys, that is it. Oh my, guys, the pass push up. You can't go manage to pass this. All of my foot I go. All of my foot I go bush up. Oh, yeah, we can't go down there. Mommy! Mom, wait, liquor. I have to tell my mother to wait. I want to show you the waterfall, guys. As I said, this is nature walk, so yeah, I take off my slippers and jump past where them water here. Oh my god. Yeah, guys, so beautiful. I put my on the water. See waterfall, guys. might know the water. Something slippery. We need to get some cool. Woo. Yeah, let's do it. The heat is popping, man. Woo. The heat is popping here. So, hey guys, we're still walking. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm kind of tired. For real. Like, woo. It's real pressure to like walk. Okay, up in a tree. Guys, like, since Hurricane Beryl, like, we don't. Oh, yeah, guys, we're still on the nature walk. Let's walk high and mighty. Oh, still walking. I don't mean to reach the river when I want to do it. I'm just quiet, so everybody will live up a garden with it. Yeah, guys, we are looking good. 10 pounds. Yeah, he's so. Woo! This is not bad. Press the start button. Yes, you're right. So this so yeah, guys, watch I suppose pull out. The slippers pull out, guys. The slippers came on the road. So yeah, guys, this is the end of my video. Watch me, please. And it feels big. Hey guys, so now try eat me even know what. Yeah guys, so this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoy my nature walk video. Remember, guys, to tell me happy birthday in the comments, guys. My birthday is on September the 10th. But if you see this video before, just comment happy birthday to me because you know it's Virgo season. So yeah, guys.